What's up, guys? How you doing? Oh, we good. We just fishing in an eclipse. It's not totally dark yet. We're only going to get about 99% here on bobbies. Should be coming up soon though. We still gonna be fishing and wishing that we catch a bass. Let's get it. I know the sun's behind me. It does seem like it's getting a little dark. It's definitely getting a little dark. I can't really see it, but we getting it. We stay slaying, guys. Slaying and praying. And this jerk bait ain't jerking right or something. Nah, I just don't think the fish are really out as much in this colder water. Gotta let it warm up a little more, get that spring fish action. They're out here, don't get me wrong. They're just not this close to shore where I'm at. I was hoping to get a little bit out here and maybe get a little something. I got a worming hook behind me. Everything's on the bottom though. This bait I'm using is more for top water. Maybe diving about 5 feet. Got a dog over there. We hear it barking. Yeah. But yeah, we out here. There's that same truck saw a little bit ago. Look if he's coming out here. Nope. He don't pass us. He's got some kayaks in the back of his truck. Even if I don't catch anything out here, and it's still beautiful. It's a beautiful day. I don't know, you guys tell me what kind of adventures you want to see. Southern Michigan, you can really go anywhere in Michigan. Kayaking. I want to go up to the Sable, do some recording over there. I need to get a GoPro eventually. Might do some recording in Hawaii. Maybe. Put something together. Why not? That's the question, really. Why not? You got a good excuse? Because I don't. If you got a good excuse, tell me. Why not record this beautiful, not necessarily record, just get out there in this beautiful nature, you know? Have fun. Don't stay cooped up all the time. Live life. I think my anchor finally hit the bottom, by the way. Drifted a little. I probably drifted about 100 feet. It is dark enough out here for the street lights to come on. That says something. Maybe I should take my sunglasses off and I can. Oh man, that's beautiful. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna stop reeling here in a second. I'm gonna rub this in and show you guys. See if we can get a good look at this. Oh, man, this is freaking beautiful. Now let me reel this in. Let me reel it actually. I'm just gonna put this right here. Alright guys, let's see this. Man. Look at this. Just look at it. Look at it. No, but we really, it's beautiful. Almost looks like the sunset. But it's literally 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Man. Pure Michigan, guys. pure of Michigan. I don't think we're gonna catch anything today. I know the moon has a lot to do with a lot of the stuff, but we out here. Alright guys, we'll check in a minute. They weren't lying about the temperature dropping about 7 degrees during this eclipse and it being 70 when I got out here. I can tell it's feeling lower 60s now. It's such a beautiful day though, regardless. It's getting darker by the minute. Man, I can sit out here all day. I don't even have to catch a thing. Man, it's just freaking beautiful. Yeah. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get some solar glasses because I'm a little late on that. Yeah, regardless. The wind has actually died down a little bit since I got out here. I'm not gonna lie. And a little chilly. Makes you wonder about the wildlife in certain instances like this. I mean, see if you guys can see it. You see that duck over there? He just chilling. He eating. He eating. We vibing. It's a good time, guys. It's a damn good time. We got a lot of people hiking out here. We got people playing with their dogs. We got people sitting on the riverbank. Off of this eclipse. And we just drifting. We are. Oh, look. Our anchor's actually on the ground now, so it's a good sign. Anchor is on the ground. We got that Canadian goose about to jump in the water. Let's see something worth eating. Maybe I should let you guys see the water. You guys can't see it at that point. There we go. Here you go. That is a better view. Yeah. You guys don't want to see this ugly mug the whole time. If I could turn around a little bit. I don't know if I want to. I don't want to stare directly into the sun without those glasses. Such a beautiful day. Wish I could catch a fish, but you know how that is. Patience. 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 But it's nice, guys. You know, I prefer to be outdoors, even if it's not an eclipse. Even if it's not an eclipse. Just because breathing in the fresh air, makes you feel better. I stay in a musty, dusty house, and you can be out here breathing all this regrown oxygen from the trees, the wind. Only one thing missing. I'm not gonna get into that though. One thing missing. Friends being out on the water with you. That could make for a better time, but a lot of times it's good to go out on your own too. I think we're past the point of the 99%. It's starting to get a little bit brighter. It's 3:18. Moving over. Alright guys, we're gonna use this lunker hunt. See if we have any luck. Got a little bit of wind. We've been drifting a little bit. Not too bad. See if we catch anything. Maybe a bass, maybe a pike. Yeah, we'll see. All I know is it's beautiful out here. And this is the perfect weather. Upper 60s, low 70s. Water's much cooler than that. We got an eclipse going on in the background. Maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe the fish are hungry. Maybe they'll come out in this warm weather, soak up the sun, come up to the surface a little bit. Let's see if we can get you guys a little bit of action here. There we go. Alright, you see that? Yeah. That's how we do, guys. This is how we get it. I just hope we catch something. Tight lines, my guys and girls. Let's see if I can get that. Oh no, I broke it. Well, I guess the eclipse is over for everybody else. Everybody leaving. Everybody leaving. But we still got our fishing pole, and it's a beautiful day. We won't be out here too much longer, but tight lines. Try to catch fish. The wind has calmed down drastically. It's gonna make for an easy paddle back in. There we go. Bad day of fishing beats a good day of anything else. Ain't that right? Tonight's fish fry is gonna taste like. Oh, I don't think I pulled anything up for dinner. That's the life we pay. Stop and pick me up a burger or something. From the old McDonald's. Hashtag not sponsored. I could probably find something better than that, right? Arby's milk. Oh man. See when that happens. Oh man, all this traffic. Bad cast. Even if I caught a bluegill, I'd be happy. I don't think I can catch anything like that. I don't think I can catch anything there. Not a damn thing. Speaking of getting a burger, I got like 15,000 points in those McDonald's rewards. That's why I said McDonald's. I can get a free quarter pounder if I want. Hi! What do you say? I could probably get a free chicken for 1,500 points. Hashtag, I'm loving it. My goodness. Everybody leaving right now. Everybody needs somebody sometime. Man, this water is calm now. Almost like completely. But let me see if you guys can see that behind me. I mean, there's a little bit of ripple, but when I came out here, we were like really like choppy. Really choppy. Not now. Not now. I'm about to pull the anchor and let it start drifting me back. Bright enough out now to need my sunglasses again. Hey guys, let's ooh, this water is cold. Let's pull this anchor up. Oh man. Who knew 3.5 pounds would be heavy? We're gonna pull it and drift, is what we're gonna do. Throw it back here. We're in the back. Throw it in the back. Yeah, come on. Oh, we got all that. Oh, what was that? The frick was that? Put it back there. Alright. We're not even drifting now. That's crazy. Not even drifting. You can pull all the old worm and hook. It's a good day. It's a good day. My brother Jake got me this rod and reel. Why did it roll? Brother Jake got me this rod and reel. So I don't know if some of you other fishers out there tend to do this, but when I get a new reel, I tend to use my old reel. So every new reel I get, then I'll use the reel I got before that. I don't know if anybody else you else do that. I don't know why I do it. It just happens that way. That lose I got right there is my brand new one. But this ducket is the one I'm using more. But I'm using it for a weight, hook, and worm and bottom fish. Be on the ground for sure. Hoping to try to maybe catch a bluegill up by the bank. We had a couple ducks right over there. But yep. It's a bad day to be a good cold beer. we're drifting. I don't want to drift into the birds, ducks, and geese, and I don't want to spook them. So we're gonna start paddling, guys. I'm gonna leave this out. We're gonna get this out. Oh, we shallow here, guys. I can see bottom. Smooth sailing, smooth sailing. Man, this is phenomenal. Man, I wish you guys could see the bottom of this lake. I don't see no fish, but man, this water's beautiful. Let me see if I can show you guys without dropping my phone. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh yeah, you guys can see the bottom. Man, we ain't that deep. We ain't that deep. We ain't that deep. I'm knee deep in the water somewhere. Where in the world tide gonna reach my phone? Where are those called? There, I'm gonna flip this around. We're gonna wash this. We're gonna wash this up. Whoop! 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 Ignore my weirdo sound. Oh shit! Got to reel my rod in. Crap! I'll fix it in a minute. Alright, guys, give me a minute, and I'll be back. Alright guys, we're gonna load up old Betsy. I guess I can't call it old Betsy. It's new, but that's what we're working with. Nice doggy just came and let me pet it. We're gonna put it on that. Beautiful day. Very beautiful. Solar eclipse happened today, but we were fishing. Didn't catch nothing. Man, still a beautiful day. Hey guys, we got the kayak out of the water. Let's go get the truck. Alright. Let's load this bad boy up. Put you guys up over here. You guys can watch the struggles. This is broke. What the hell am I gonna do? Oh, it's broke right off. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. Alright, you guys can watch me. All my struggles with this. guess. Load it up. There, guys. We're all loaded down. Freaking broke my door, but all in all, wasn't a bad adventure. Shorter than I'm gonna do in the future, but I'd say it's a little chilly, but it's not. It's actually perfect. Water's picking up a little bit more. Wind is picking up a little bit more. I say we did a good little trip today. But until next time, I'll catch you guys on the Nomad Chronicles. Maybe in Hawaii. Aloha. Bye, guys. Alright. Guessing we did this right. Nope. I didn't do it right. Thick. Hey guys, think I did this right. I'd like to say take one, but take two failed. We're gonna get this right eventually. If you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, all the bells. You know what to do. Catch you next time. Peace.